Okay, April.
Hi everybody, look at me doing the dim plum. Remember we were doing the pizza thing for the pizza, and remember we were also doing on the arrow one on the head, and then you do it like this, ta-da, and then you put it on a plate, and then you take this and you put a little bit in. Mina sned a little bit more. No. And
yes, that's perfect.
And then you put some water here and you put it on the top. Mina and a good sister, she very need some more things to do. And then
Good sister. Right job.
Try.
and then you put here, and my mommy teach me put it here. And then you put it on the plate.
Thank you so much.
We're not done yet, guys. No, we just need a little bit more. It's gonna be a big video today. No, a big one, like Mina's neck. And you put some more water here.
Don't you need to add more mints, Baba?
At moment.
These guys not right, guys. No, we will just take the big one off. We will just